I'm going to introduce a concept here, and then we'll get into the use of it in subsequent lessons. But I did want to talk about TCP wrappers. TCP wrappers is actually a program that is designed to wrap a service program. So you might use this for Telnet or FTP or one of the R services or some other, maybe potentially fragile service that doesn't have its own ability to manage whether somebody is going to be allowed to get access to it or not. So we've got TCP wrappers that will actually protect that service by giving us the ability to do some configuration on who gets allowed to make use of that particular service. So for example, Telnet, I may specify a configuration line using TCP wrappers that says I'm only allowing Telnet to people on my local network. So we're going to make use of a couple of files that are going to give us that access control. And one of them is the hosts.allow file in the etc directory, and the other is in the hosts.deny file. With the hosts.allow file, we are using a whitelist. This is a list of access controls where we are allowing access to a particular service. The hosts.deny file is a blacklist where we are actually denying access. It's pretty straightforward. So we've got hosts.allow and hosts.deny. If something isn't in one of those two files, we will actually just grant access. So basically, it's a default allow configuration. So you have to allow some and then deny everything else unless you really just want everything to get access, in which case you may not want to be using TCP wrappers to begin with. So TCP wrappers give us the ability to protect potentially fragile services like Telnet or FTP that are plain text, and we may not want everybody in the world getting access to them. Now, TCP wrappers are used in conjunction with other programs like inetd or xinetd, and we will be talking about xinetd in a subsequent lesson.